Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for tuning in today. If you're like me, presentation is key. So I'm going to show you how you can put a table that looks just like this together for under $100. That's right, under $100 your table too can look like this. Found these at my local Dollar Tree, these cute little mini decor pumpkins. I thought they would be really cute for name placement, and I love having menu cards to let my guests know what they're going to be eating. I found this at a local stationery store, but you can also get something similar at Amazon. These plates I've had for years from Z Gallery, and it's okay to mix and match, as you see that I've mixed and matched the different plates. Now at my local Dollar Tree, I found these nice sturdy wine glasses. So for eight wine glasses for $1, $8. Couldn't go wrong with that. And these chargers, Amazon Prime. And so there you have it, my nice placemat. Now this runner, I got this runner last year from Amazon for $12. I really like the color. I like that it was busy but not too busy, and you can cut it to make your level of satisfaction. These mason jars were laying around I thought this would be really cool to put some roses that I got from Walmart for $8 in. Just added some tea lights. I already had the silverware, gold silverware that matched everything. And as you stated, it is okay, as I stated, it is okay to mix and match your plates. I already had the table, the napkins, the table linen. I got this from Amazon as well for $17.99. The full description will be below of where you can get everything. So if you like this and if you entertain a lot, make sure to check out my event planning book that I wrote a few years ago. The link to that book will be in the description below, and I hope that this motivates you, whether you are entertaining for the holidays or just a regular dinner party on a Saturday night. Wow your guests as soon as they come into the room. Presentation sets the key. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Until next time, bye-bye.